Class 12th, Subject Business Studies, Chapter 3, Business Environment, Lecture number 2. Hello students, in our last lecture, we read about business environment, its importance and features. In this lecture, we will study about dimensions of business environment. Fine? So let's start. Dimensions of business environment. Dimensions consisting of business environment include economic, social, political, legal and technological. So we shall study about these dimensions of business environment. See, dimensions of business environment that influence the performance of many firms. Fine, including ours. Number 1, economic, social, technological, political and legal. So let's start. First of all, what is the meaning of dimensions of business environment? Dimensions of or the agents forming the business environment involve economic, social, legal, technological and political circumstances which are contemplated properly for decision making and enhancing the achievement of trading concern. In distinction to the precise environment, these aspects manifest the prevailing environment which often affect many companies at the same time. However, the administration of every business can profit from being informed of these dimensions rather than being unbiased in them. So, beta, dimensions of business environment consist of all these: involve economic, social, legal, political and technological. Fine. All these circumstances help a business to grow. Let's start our environment. Number 1, legal environment. It includes various laws passed by the government, administrative orders issued by the government authorities, court judgments, as well as decisions rendered by the central, state or local government. Fine. Understanding of legal knowledge is a prerequisite need for the smooth functioning of business and industry. Understanding the legal environment by business houses help them not to fall in a legal tangle. Fine. So if we are following legal environment means if we are following all the rules passed by the government, administrative orders issued by the government authorities, court judgment, so the decisions rendered by central, state or local government we can easily take. Fine. So the legal environment include various laws like Companies Act 2013, Consumer Protection Act 1986, policies related to licensing and approvals, and policies related to foreign trade, etc. For example, labor laws followed by companies help them to keep away from penalties. Next one is political environment. Political environment means that the actions were taken by the government which potentially affect the routine activities of any business or company on a domestic or at a global level. So political environment basically the actions taken by the government which affect the routine activity of a business. The success of a business and industry depends upon the government's attitude towards the business and industry, stability of the government and peace in the country. For example, we can say political stability and central government's attitude towards business, industry and employment has attracted many national and international business entrepreneurs to invest in India. Fine. So both legal and political environment affect our business up to the extent they can. But it depends upon the business because legal environment include legislation passed by the government, administrative order issued by the authorities, court judgments and decisions rendered by various commissions. And political environment include general stability and peace in the country and specific attitudes that elected government representative hold towards business. Fine. Next one is economic environment. The economic environment consists of an economic system, economic policies, and economic conditions prevailing in a country. Fine. Interest rates, taxes, inflation, stock market indices, value of a rupee, personal disposable income of people and unemployment rate. These are the factors which affect the economic environment. So, economic environment consists of an economic system, economic policies and economic conditions that are in our country. Interest rate, suppose interest rates are high, definitely people will not take any loan. But if interest rates are low, people will be more interested in taking the loans for their business, for houses, etc. Similarly, taxes, inflation and stock market indices help the business a lot to grow or to go down. Value of a rupee also affect the business a lot. And the income of the people, the income of the people, that how much they are spending on their luxury or their needs, it depends. If their income is more, they will spend more and more. If their income is less, they will spend less. They will think to spend. Isn't it so? Fine. So these are the factors which affect the economic environment. For example, we can say a rise in the disposable income of people due to a decrease in tax rates in a country creates more demand for the products. जैसे जैसे लोगों की इनकम बढ़ेगी, they will definitely, due to a decrease in tax rates in the country, they will demand more and more for the product of the business which the business enterprise is producing. Fine. So let's go for next point. Next point is social environment. Social environment consists of social forces like traditions, values, social trends, standard of living, etc. So these are the tradition impact, values impact and social trends impact. First of all, traditions. What do you mean by traditions? Tradition refers to social practices that have lasted for decades, such as Deepavali, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. So more demand during festivals provides opportunities for various businesses. Fine. Now, values. Values refers to moral principles prevailing in the society, such as freedom in choice of the market, social justice, equality of opportunity, and non-discriminatory practices. Fine. Next one is its impact. The impact of value is that believes in the organization that believes in values maintain a good reputation in the society and find ease in selling their products. Now, social trends. It refers to a general change or development in the society such as health and fitness. These trends among the urban dwellers. Fine. Its impact is health and fitness trend has created the demand for gyms, mineral water, etc. Social environment affect our business a lot, but on which at which extent is it affect the business depends upon tradition, values, and social trends. Now, technological environment. Technological environment consists of scientific improvements and innovations which provide new way of producing goods, rendering services, new methods and techniques to operate a business. It is very important for a firm to understand the level of scientific achievements of a particular economy before introducing its products. Fine. So technological compatibility of products also derives the demand of manufactured products by a company. Technological environment means there is change in technology on daily routine, scientific improvements and innovation which provide new ways of producing goods and services, new methods and techniques of operating a business. For example, airlines companies have internet and worldwide web pages where customer can go for and book flight times and it see flight times, that's destination and fares and book their tickets online. Nowadays, the technological environment is involved in all the businesses. For example, e-commerce has changed the scenario of doing a business, buying and selling of goods, availing services at the click of a mouse and through mobile or Digital India initiative by the government and move towards a paperless society. Nowadays, so with a click in our phone, we can order so many items. There are so many sites for it like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Fine. Nika. So there is a huge change in the technological environment of a business and it creates a positive effect on the society as it became lessen the efforts of the people to purchase goods, to create demand very easily, and the business also tries to fulfill that demand for the particular product. Fine. So all these environment helps a business a lot to grow. Fine. But it depends upon us that how do we identify that which environment affect in our business and up to which extent it is doing it. Fine. So our economic environment consists of saving, investment, money supply, public debt, inflation rate, value of rupee, stock market indices, etc. Social environment consists of customs and traditions, values, social trends, society's expectation from business. It also includes birth and death rates, population shifts, education system and literacy rate, life expectancy, consumption habits, concern with quality of life, isn't it so? Attitude towards product innovation, lifestyle, or you can say consumer preferences, etc. Technological environment we also consist of social improvements and scientific improvements and innovations in the business. Political environment consists of general stability and peace in the country and government attitude towards business. And Legal environment also consists of legislation passed by the government, court judgments, etc. So you have to read all these environment, learn it and note down in your notebook.